How to make a transparent header in Wix. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple it is to make a transparent header and put it to move around the scrolling into your Wix website. The process is going to be very easy. And the purpose of doing that is to make the header with a transparent color that will match the color of the website that you have set for each one of the sections. So it is not going to be having, let's say, visual troubles or a visual unresemblance from the website colors. So how can we do that? We are going to head over wix.com, so sign in into your account, select the website that we are going to use this effect or this property to. For example, I'm going to click on select and edit this one. And we are going simply to click on edit design site or edit site. It is going to be dependent on uh, the time that you have used or created this website. You're going to see here that we have preloaded this website. And as you can see, this is a dark background and this is a green background. But here, we're going to make that header. I'm going to select the header in here. Then we are going to click on the header scroll settings. We're going to make it scroll with site. We're going to preview that and we're going to see the colors or the white color of the header will have in here the setup. So I don't know why it is not going to be moving, but I'm going to be back to the editor real quick. I'm going to reset here the scrolling. So we are going to put here the scroll with site. Normally it is going to be freezing. So we are going to put freeze. So we are going to see preview. And we are going to see the editor again. So as you can see, this is the white color of the header. Now we are going to make it transparent. So in order to make this specific header transparent and follow up with the colors. So we are going to click on not quick edit, or we can go ahead and click in here on the header section. So we can go ahead and click on each one of these strips like this. As you can see, the header is um, contained on a strip. We're going to change the background color to none for this one. And also the number of columns are going to be set up differently. So we have here 3. I'm going to put it to none also. The last one is going to be put to none. I'm going to click on preview save before preview. Then we're going to set up the preview. We're going to see the thing happen. So we are going to scroll down. Normally we are not going to have this problem in here. So we are going to put it like that. So the problem here was that the header is set up to or has been hidden within the strip. So I'm going to head over here the strip and move it a little bit. And as you can see, we have the header hidden. So we can click on the header in here and click on change header design. So we are going to put up here the opacity. So background, we are going to put it to, as you can see here, to 0. And we are going to put it as transparent. So I'm going to put the background, not transparent. The borders also, I'm going to put them on the transparency. And here I'm going to set up the design just like that. Add back our strip in here. Click on save. And we're going to click on preview again. So here, normally everything is fine. We are going to scroll down the header. And as you can see, it is going to be not fully transparent, but this part is going to be not that transparent, but it is going to be like this. So we have reached our goal. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and I hope to see you soon on the next one.